This is crazy. Now let me tell you like. So here's something I do online to relax when I am not making videos for you guys or talking on Facebook. And I've been doing this for at least 5 years. And suddenly this girl that was in this RP group that I was in decided that she wanted to take it upon herself to harass me because she did something that was against the rules of our RP, and she ended up getting kicked out. Now, she did not get kicked out. First of all, the character she was playing was given to her by me. So really, I own the character. And number two, she left the group. She unfriended everybody and just left. So then, a couple of days later, she makes these 2 posts on the group page. On this group page we ran together, telling people not to join. Telling people that I'm fake and things like that. And, yeah. This is, this, like, years of not having a safe place, and not feeling safe or in control of something. This is making me very depressed and very anxious and not wanting to go back. This really is. This is not cool at all. So now I'm talking to like the help person, and he's trying to help me figure this out because this is not okay with me at all. Problem solved. I'm starting to feel a little better. I'm probably gonna get up in a few minutes and get myself together because I just need to move around. I need to tell my mom I need to pick up my sister at 9:30 so I can take her to the bus stop so she can go back to her husband. So yeah, that's what's up. Very boring day, very boring block. I'm sorry. Because it's thundering and lightning, my mother insists on driving. This is gonna be fun. It's not even time for me to pick up Latoya yet. She said 9:30. The hell. Well, that's by the time I get back. The videos for you guys will be up on YouTube. So let me go ahead and go. Tell this child I'm on my way and get her. Oh well.
I'm taking my time. This is
East Gear Street, so we're good. Close.
That's what?
That's East Gear Street going that way.
Oh, it should be taking me here.
Yeah.
That's okay. I know what I'm gonna do.
This is crazy. Let me tell you when I get to work.
Yes, I'm driving in the middle of the street here. And he's right behind me. He's like, okay, so you drive in the middle of the street, I'm gonna drive in the middle of the street.
You may as well back up a little bit, bruh.
No, he's okay.
Alright.
He's just driving in my wheel track.
Yeah, because you're making a path.
I can see through this
Yeah. Right in here. Yep. Yep.
And if you don't drive too fast,
What happened?
so you just get in and get comfortable.
Yeah. Yep.
I am.
She's leaving me.
Bye, Pookie. Love you.
Love you too. I need the sister.
I'll text you a message and let you know that I got home safe.
Okay, you better.
Oh, I definitely.
If you don't, I'm gonna come up there and I'm gonna jackrabbit you.
All right.
Okay. Bye. Love you, sissy. Be careful.
Definitely.
That's her bus right there. I'd rather wait till the bus pulls off before we go.
Huh?
So we can make sure that was the bus.
That's her bus.
We hope that's her bus.
Okay.
And it's still raining.
But it's not raining. It's hard at the moment.
Hopefully we can get back across town before
The bottom falls out again.
Back in my freezing room. It was raining like crazy out there, as you saw. And I'm cold and I'm wet and I'm tired. It is 10:17. I've got a few minutes before I officially end this vlog. So I'm gonna get me something to eat and change to some dry clothes. And I'll be back later. Since tomorrow's video day, I got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. I'm gonna shoot it now so I can edit it and have it up tomorrow. It's probably what I'm gonna do for all my video days. Shoot it the day before and upload it and have it released at a certain time the next day. It's 12 o'clock. I just got finished shooting a video for you guys. And I'm about to upload it and edit it now so it can hit YouTube at about 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm also going to edit this vlog and put it up for you guys too. So, yay. It's 12 o'clock and I'm still awake. Which means after I get done with all this editing stuff, I'm probably going to be knocked out. Tomorrow, Mom and I are going to go out and do a whole bunch of stuff. And that's what's up. So, love you guys. You see this? You see this? You see this? See this? See this? This? So we started playing free-for-all. And only one of the levels we both won. Well, damn it! He insists on shaving this off. I don't like it when he does. I like the shape. I like the facial hair. Thumbs up if you like the facial hair. We have just come to the conclusion that he may be good at the games where you sit down and your coordination comes solely from your fingers, but I'm good at games like Just Dance. Yeah! We decided to take a break from video games and we're gonna go get food because he hasn't eaten. I ate. I beat him in bowling by getting 2 strikes in a row. Look at this car. Look at this car. So we just left New Japan. I am a stuffed little piglet. I'm a stuffed piglet. But we're going to go to Wendy's.
Fun fact, it was named after his daughter.
We're gonna go to Wendy's. My hair is like on his cheek right now. We're gonna go to Wendy's and get my mom her lunch. And then we're gonna go get my sister! Yeah! The current situation. We're playing Wii Bowling again on Wii Sports. Now it's my turn. Here you go. He's over here trying to curve this ball.
That's how I do.
And I still got a strike without curving the ball. Ooh. Ooh.